Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first of all, blessed rising. Good morning. Yeah. Rose to see another day on earth. Lifing. Mm? Just they are lifing. So I just come on another update on my little moving series. Me move a damn thing since well being on like I feel overwhelmed now that I really looking at like but I don't even know why I'm so overwhelmed because I don't have a whole lot of things to pack or that I'm taking with me. 'Cause like I said, I live in a bulky coach. I live in a entertainment thing, but I did start to make a list on Amazon. But just a couple of things I want to get. 'Cause them dishware, everything. I gonna buy a new pot set also. I might have mentioned that already. I don't know if I did. What else I said? Well, I just don't want, or I'm not going to. I still have control of what I gonna buy or not buy or spend on. So I ain't buying no heap of bulky, whole lot of carrying on. Cause it's just me at the end of the day. And I also plan not to accumulate too much shit either. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I'm just tired of stuff. I'm tired. So I did start an Amazon list. I did write down an actual written list and put it into categories like the living room, the kitchen, the laundry room, just stuff that I feel like I'm gonna need for each area of the apartment. And let me see what else. Yeah, I created an Amazon list that I kind of started putting some stuff in there. I find this really cute, super cute couch. One of them, what called boneless situation in a green that I fell in love with that green. Hopefully, when I get ready to purchase it, it still have some available. Let me see what else I put in there. Just some utensils. Um, plate and bowl set that was like 6 pieces, which is like perfect. Let me see what else. And it's green too. It's so cute. What else I put in there? Oh, and um, I am gonna get an entertainment thingy, but it's not gonna be as bulky as the one that I had before. And I found one on Amazon. They're super duper cute, super cute. I think it was like 90 something bucks or something, which is awesome. And it has like the LED lights and stuff in it. I thought that was really cute. I also put some bar stools in my Amazon wish list. It's a set of two for $100. They're also green. Yeah, I go in with like a green, black, kind of like an off white or whatever. Maybe with some gold accessories or pops of gold. I don't know. I did also start a list on Sheen. Just other little knickknacks and stuff that I may not um or I wouldn't say I wouldn't find on Amazon because Amazon have everything, but a little bit more price competitive, I guess. Yeah. Let me see. I haven't. Oh, and on Shein, I have a few posters or canvases or whatever in my cart that I think are really cute. Like a lot of inspirational quotes and stuff, and a few really like '90s looking black girl magic stuff with the gold rings, and I just love that because I'm a gold girl, so I think like that. Yeah. I also have a bookshelf in one of my list carts or whatever that also has like a LED situation going on. Super cute. I think it was like 40 something bucks. So I just trying to keep this thing like really cost effective. I don't want to spend. I done did that before for my previous apartments and stuff like that, and spend for this and spend for that. Not a whole lot, but if I could get it done this time around, even cheaper than I did the first few times, great, 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 great. That'll be great. Let me see. What else I could think of? I haven't really thought about how I want to set up the restroom or bathroom, whatever. I do need to call them people because I feel like the first time I went to see the apartment, I didn't record because the leasing agent, I guess, me and her were just chatting. Me and her were chatting it up like we knew each other. We were just chatting. So I didn't think to pull up my phone and like record the actual space. But I'm gonna call again and see. I don't know if I'll be able to go see it tomorrow because I don't move in till the next what, almost 2 weeks or something like that. But I just want to see it to get a refresher. refresher, refresher. Look at how I want to set up whatever. Yeah. And the balcony, I think I will definitely incorporate the balcony space into the whole serene sanctuary. Yeah, and let that be a part of it too. So I gotta see. I want to be able, like, when it starts to cool down, and I just want to sit outside, sip on some tea, coffee, whatever, eat on the balcony, that I could do so comfortably, and then set it up in a way that if I want to, I do have a projector. So I could just plug in my projector and watch something, on the side of the wall or something on the balcony. Or whatever I feel like doing on the balcony, that's my space to do so. I haven't went on like Amazon or Shein or whatever to look up some stuff that I could do to make it a little more private, like privacy screen stuff, but nothing to like black out lights and all that, because I still want the natural light, the view. Because I did ask for a apartment in the back, like hopefully it's facing the lake. That would be great. That would be so great if it's facing the lake. Yeah, so I wouldn't want to like completely black out or whatever. The bottom part, which like I said, I probably wouldn't even have to if it's facing the lake. I won't worry too much about blocking out, with a railing part there, how you could cover that part. So like the bottom half is completely covered. I just gotta see. I gotta see how it looks. Because if there's like no parking spaces, or you can't really do too much in the back where it's traffic from people and whatever, I'm gonna just leave it open. I might just get like a bug net kind of thing, because outside coming on the inside, we could coexist. Just do it out there, over there. Yeah. So there's that. Let me see what else I wanted to. Listen, I ain't start doing nothing. I barely gathered some clothes. I have one bag of clothes to try. I kind of started the other bag of stuff that I'm gonna give away. I'm putting like a donation bin. So I plan to have a donation bin bag. And then that bag, I don't know how many other bags I'm gonna have of stuff to get rid of. Because I've tried this before earlier in the year, and I barely take out anything because I'm just so mindset on the fact that I'm gonna wear this shit. A lot of them things no still have tag on them, all of that things. So some of the stuff I might just suck it up and get rid of it, but I know a lot of them things I'm going to keep. Yeah. Um and yeah, that's about it. I already do my little online portal thing and set up everything, a deposit, all of that, settle. I did have to set a date for them to come and something with a light. I guess turn on the light. Internet or something. I don't know, something like that. But definitely the light. Yeah, so that's Echo. What time is it? Okay, it's 11:15 right now. I just here sipping on some coffee. I've been up since early. I made me an egg sandwich. I felt like eating some eggs. And I'm gonna tackle them clothes again. I also need to add to my list like how many boxes and stuff I think I'm gonna need. Maybe a couple of bins. I don't know. I don't want a whole heap of bins because that's another thing. I don't have a lot of storage space. Say inside of the apartment does not have a linen closet. It just get a little closet. Like, I guess it's a linen closet that's in the bathroom, for the bathroom linen, I guess. But not like a closet that, we don't have them closet when you walk into an apartment that one like a side door where you can hang like coats and stuff, coat rack. And it don't have that. It just have the only extra storage space is a rotted closet on the porch, on the balcony. That's so dumb. Like, what? Ugh, I find that to be so irritating. Like, why would you not have closet space? Because I need that. I need that. Like, that is insane. I need that to know when I think about it. I got a lot of clothes, and the closet in the bedroom is. Anyway, I gotta figure something out. Oh, I will figure something out. I'll catch y'all in the next one when I really start to do some shit. I can see how much I can record.